Hey everyone! Welcome back to Legit Internet Income, where I show you real ways to make money online. No scams, no fluff. Today, I'm sharing 7 more unique ways to make money while you sleep in 2025. These are strategies that can make you money even while you're catching those Z's. We're talking about setting yourself up for success now, so you can literally watch your bank account grow even in your sleep. Make sure you watch until the end because I'll be revealing the easiest method that could make you $5,000 or more per month with minimal work. Before we get started, hit that like button if you're ready to make passive income, and subscribe so you don't miss out on more money-making tips. Look, we've all got that folder on our phones or computers filled with old videos and photos just sitting there, taking up space. They're just collecting digital dust, right? What if I told you those could actually be making you money right now? Yes, you heard that right. Seriously. Businesses, YouTubers, filmmakers, they're all looking for high-quality stock footage and images to use in their projects. They need content to bring their visions to life. Sites like Pond5, ArtGrid, and Wirestock are constantly looking for fresh content. They're like digital marketplaces for your creativity. All you have to do is upload your old videos and photos, the ones you already have, and set your price. It's that simple. Every time someone licenses your video or image, you get paid. It's like having a digital goldmine. Think about it, one popular clip of a sunset, a cityscape, even your dog doing something funny, could generate hundreds, even thousands of dollars in lifetime royalties. The possibilities are endless. You're literally turning your digital clutter into a passive income stream. It's a win-win situation. Don't underestimate the power of what you've already captured. Your everyday moments could be someone else's perfect shot. The best part? Once you upload it, you don't have to do anything else. It's a set it and forget it kind of deal. It's just sitting there, working for you 24/7, generating passive income while you sleep, eat, or even film your next viral video. Imagine the freedom, potential earnings. A single popular clip can generate $1,000 or more in lifetime royalties. So what are you waiting for? Start uploading today and watch the passive income roll in. Alright, let's talk about a fun one. Escape rooms have exploded in popularity, but did you know you can create and sell access to a virtual escape room? That's right, people are paying to play these online, and it's a fantastic way to generate passive income. Platforms like GatherTown and Roblox make it incredibly easy to build interactive experiences. You can create a themed escape room, complete with puzzles, riddles, and challenges, all within a virtual environment. Once you've built your escape room, it's time to start charging for entry. Even if you charge a modest $20 per player, and you get just 50 people playing your escape room each week, that's $4,000 per month in passive income. And the best part? Once the escape room is built, the income is largely automated. Market your virtual escape room on social media, gaming forums, even reach out directly to companies looking for team-building experiences. Potential earnings, even at $20 per player, just 50 people a week equals $4,000 per month in passive income. If you've got a website or a blog, you're sitting on a goldmine of passive income potential, and you might not even realize it. Your digital space is more valuable than you think. Think of your website like a digital billboard. It's a prime piece of real estate in the online world. Just like those billboards you see on the side of the highway, businesses are willing to pay you to advertise on your site. They see the value in reaching your audience. Now, you could go the traditional route with Google AdSense, but let me tell you, the earning potential is limited, and you're at the mercy of their algorithms. It's not always the most profitable or reliable option. Instead, I want you to think bigger. Think ownership. Take control of your ad space and maximize your earnings. Sign up on a platform like Ad Clerks. It's a game changer for website owners. This allows you to automate ad placements on your site, but here's the key difference. You set the price, and you get 100% of the earnings. No middlemen, no cuts. No more sharing with Google. All the revenue goes straight to you. Charge businesses a flat monthly fee to advertise on your site. It's straightforward and profitable. Even if you only have a handful of ad spaces on your site, renting them out for $100 or $200 per month can add up quickly. The income potential is significant. The key here is to have a website or blog that gets decent traffic and caters to a specific niche. The more targeted your audience, the more attractive your site is to advertisers. Potential earnings. Even if you rent out 5 ad spaces at $200 per month, that's $1,000 per month of completely passive income. Imagine the possibilities as your site grows. Have you ever thought about how many sound effects are used in movies, TV shows, YouTube videos, even podcasts? Those beeps, boops, crashes and whooshes, someone created those, and they're getting paid for it even while they sleep. The best part? You can too. Creating and selling royalty-free sound effects is a fantastic way to tap into a massive market and generate passive income for years to come. And the barrier to entry is surprisingly low. You don't need a fancy recording studio or expensive equipment. Free sound editing software like Audacity is more than enough to get you started. Get creative, record everyday sounds, manipulate them, and turn them into unique sound effects. Once you've built up a collection, it's time to get them out there. Platforms like Epidemic Sound, Pond5, and even Freesound allow you to upload your sound effects and set your price. Every time someone downloads one of your sounds, you get paid. Potential earnings. Some creators make $1,000 to $5,000 per month from a single pack of sound effects. Alright students, this one's for you. Remember all those hours you spent studying, taking meticulous notes and completing assignments? What if I told you those could be making you money right now? No, seriously, hear me out. There's a huge market for study guides, homework help, and even just well-organized notes. Platforms like Stuvia, Course Hero, and Nexus Notes make it incredibly easy to upload and sell your old study materials. Scan your notes, create digital study guides, even upload completed assignments, as long as it's ethical and allowed by your school. Students from around the world can purchase and download your materials, providing them with valuable insights and helping them succeed in their studies. And the best part? You get paid for it, passively. Imagine uploading a comprehensive study guide for a popular course and selling it for $20. If just 25 students buy that guide each month, that's $500 in passive income. Potential earnings. Some students make $500 to $3,000 a month selling their old study guides. Let's talk about SEO, or search engine optimization. It's a crucial aspect of digital marketing that can make or break your online presence. It's the key to getting your website found on Google. And it's something that businesses are willing to pay top dollar for. Without proper SEO, even the most beautiful website can remain invisible to potential customers. But here's the thing, most businesses don't have a clue about SEO, and that's where you come in. They need experts who can guide them through the complexities of search engine algorithms. You can turn your SEO knowledge into a lucrative passive income stream by offering automated SEO website audits. This is a fantastic opportunity to leverage your skills and help businesses succeed online. There are tons of free and paid SEO tools available like Screaming Frog and Ahrefs that can generate comprehensive website audits with the click of a button. These tools simplify the process, making it accessible even for those new to SEO. These audits identify technical issues, on-page optimization opportunities, and even backlink profiles. They provide a detailed roadmap for improving a website's performance. Once you have these automated reports, you can package them up and sell them on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. These platforms have a vast audience looking for SEO services. Businesses are more than happy to pay $50, $100, even $300 for a detailed SEO audit that can help them improve their website's ranking and drive more traffic. The value they receive far outweighs the cost. Imagine selling just 10 SEO audits per month at $100 each. That's a significant income boost with relatively little effort. That's $1,000 in passive income for minimal effort. You can achieve financial freedom by helping others succeed online. Potential earnings. Selling just 10 SEO reports at $100 each equals $1,000 a month. This is a golden opportunity to turn your SEO skills into a profitable business. We're living in the age of AI, and it's changing everything, including how we create and consume video content. AI video generation tools like Runway ML and Synthesia are making it easier than ever to create stunning, realistic videos. And this opens up a whole new world of passive income opportunities. Here's the idea. Use these AI tools to generate unique stock footage like futuristic cityscapes, abstract animations, even realistic character animations, and then sell them on stock footage platforms like Pond5, Motion Array, or Shutterstock. The demand for high-quality stock footage is only going to increase, especially as more and more businesses embrace video marketing. Think about it, you could create a series of abstract animations using Runway ML, upload them to Pond5 and set your price. Every time someone downloads one of your AI-generated clips, you get paid. This is a fantastic way to leverage the power of AI to generate passive income, and the earning potential is huge. Potential earnings. Even at just $20 per download, selling 10 videos a day equals $6,000 a month. And that's it. 7 more underrated ways to make money while you sleep in 2025. Comment below which method excites you the most. Let me know if you want to see a deep dive into any of these strategies. I'm here to help you build a more financially secure future, one passive income stream at a time. Before you go, hit that like button to help more people find this video, and subscribe for weekly videos on legit online income strategies. See you in the next one.